Next thing you'll be telling me is Carol Vorderman looks like Cher.
Oh, no way!
Zoe, will you turn it down? I'm trying to do some work.
I've got to listen to end of it.
Well, then get some headphones or something, because this ain't fair.
Oh, don't tell me you're listening to this rubbish at all.
I'm trying not to.
Right, well, I'm on my dinner. Come on, let's go and get a sign or something.
Yeah, might as well.
Was that you sleeping down here last night?
Oh, it's got out to do with you.
Oh, has it not? OK, you want to cut yourself off? Cut yourself off. Just don't blame me when nobody wants out to do with you. Come on, Nick.
So why is she sleeping downstairs?
I don't know. Maybe Ashley's just as fed up of her as we are.
No, I'd let her do whatever she wanted.
Yeah, well, as long as you don't expect us to do the same. I think she's going crazy. They'll be cutting her off next week.
Out of respect.